Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
WebinarPal review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called WebinarPal. So this is the WebinarPal review, and right now we are on the blue sales page, and then we have the demo video as well on the sales page. So it says here, leverage the power of limitless video conference meeting and webinar hosting at an unbeatable low one-time cost with done-for-you webinar content, live chat, real-time messaging and file sharing, pre-recorded video streaming, and a lot more. So host as many you wish video conferences, meetings and webinars with a click. Earn more. How would you earn more? This is pointless. Okay, so this thing is going to host your webinars. So I don't know why would this say anything about earning here. Never be at the mercy of your boss. Okay, no pandemic can stop you. Be a part of a recession-free business. What business? It's a software which will allow you to host your webinars. That's it. So how come launching webinars, is it a recession-free business? What this thing has got to do anything with the business? It's just a software, right? Be in control of your own destiny. How? What's the meaning of all these lines here? Nonsensical, not relevant with the software. A special limited period offer, lowest one-time cost plus exclusive bonuses when you buy now. So I guess the name itself is self-explanatory, WebinarPal. And then we have a demo video. Sorry about that. We have a demo video right here, which is only like 2 minutes long. So you will find the same demo video if you scroll the sales page, I guess halfway through. Okay. Now these money screenshots are fake. You will not make any single penny if you buy this. This money they have made by selling you software like these. Okay, so if I go to overview and click on their profile name, you will see their past launches. The last one was AI Mailer with the 1 rating out of 5. So you can see here they have sold 8 so far, 8 products, and almost 7,000 sales, and the stars are 2.3 out of 5. So their product are low quality, I can say that, right? Now coming back here, we have the price. So it will cost you $17 to start with, and then there are some upgrades. We will take a look into that. So this thing has got nothing to do with making money. Bear that in your mind. It's only going to help you to host some webinars, and only God knows for how long those webinars will be hosted and for how long the software will actually work. Because remember, you're paying $17, okay? You cannot expect them to host your webinars or maintain their software for lifetime. If you are into that zone thing, if you believe that, then you go and check, get your mind checked somewhere, from a doctor, because you're paying them $17 one time and you expect this thing to work for lifetime. If you believe that, then there's a problem inside you. By the way, if you scroll the sales page halfway through, then you will find this demo video. It's only 2 minutes long demo video in which nobody is talking. There is only a background annoying music. So come halfway down here and then play the video, watch the demo video, and after that, if you want to buy, go and buy as per your needs. You will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video somewhere. Here it will be saying grab WebinarPal copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. And if you are here to make money online only, then don't buy WebinarPal. It will not make you any money. I will discuss these links here, so that you can make some real money online. Because a real example right now in front of you is that I am doing these YouTube reviews. Why? Because if you buy from me, I make money, you don't. Tomorrow when you start doing your reviews on your YouTube channel, other people will watch it, they will buy, you will make money, they will not. Okay, so you don't make money by buying WebinarPal, you make money by selling WebinarPal. How do you sell? Come on YouTube. That's what everybody else is doing as well. Other people are also doing YouTube reviews, they're giving you bonuses, this and that. You buy from them, they make money, you don't. The sooner you realize, the better it's for your future. Okay, and then we have this link. It says make money on autopilot with forex thingy. So I'm talking about, I guess, this method here. This is called the forex trading. You buy currency at low price, you sell when the price goes up, buy low, sell high. And we do all this with the help of a software which we'll be installing on this graph. So we'll talk about all this in a moment. So subscribe, like, and coming back here. So yes, come on this page, watch the demo video and buy this if you want to. Otherwise, I have no hopes, from any Warrior Plus launches. Okay. So let's get to the bottom to see if we have any frequently asked questions. We surely do. So yeah, bonus 1, 2, 3, 4, 30-day money back guarantee. Don't believe on the money back guarantee. You will never get your money back if you buy this. How many attendees can I host on my webinars? 1 to 250 simultaneous attendees. I don't think it will load. Your software might crash if you add 250 people. I can tell you that. Yeah. What if I find it too hard to work with and need help? So yeah, you can get help, they say. What if I still don't like it? They say 30-day money back guarantee. I can give you in return. You will not hear from them if you want the refund. How many webinars, video conferences, and classes can I run? As many you wish. Great. Let's get started. Click on the button below. This is launching on 20th of June 2023. I guess I'm doing an early review. So sales page is right here below my video. If you find the link, click on that link, come here, go halfway through and watch that demo video. Okay. Now let's talk about the OTOs right here. So this is OTO 1 Webinar Pro. This is $37, $47. These are the features. Then OTO 2 is right here, which is $47.67. Okay, so I guess they have a downsell too. OTO 3 is this. OTO 4 is this. 5 is this, agency license. And then we have OTO 6, which is a reseller. And that's all, right? So you have all these OTOs. If you want to buy, go and buy. Otherwise, I don't know, right? So WebinarPal is claiming that it will host your webinars in one-time cost. $17 it is. If you have the need to host your webinars, go and buy if you want to, okay? But if you are here only to make money online, do not buy. This thing has got nothing to do with making money. Making money is as simple as making my YouTube video. So now these links will help you to make real money. Let's not miss this word, real money, okay? Because if you buy something from this website called Warrior Plus, you will make some fictitious money while you're sleeping. But when you wake up, your bank account will be either in -20 or will be the same, okay? Or will be 0. But if you want to make real money, which you can withdraw from your account, from your card, and you can use it to buy something, maybe a chocolate for your kid, for that you need to check out these two methods. So subscribe and watch the video till the end so that you can help yourself to make real money online. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on Super Thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are 2 videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those 2 videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those 2 videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be installing the software. I will be giving the settings to the software. Everything I will manage on your behalf, and once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.